Mary Bryant, born 1765, died sometime after 1794. Mary Broad was born in Cornwall, England. In 1786, she was charged for stealing a silk bonnet and for assault. She was sentenced to death. Later, her sentence was changed to 7 years transportation. And we know this means sent or transported to Australia. Mary was transported to Australia with the First Fleet in the convict ship Lady Charlotte. During the voyage on the 8th of September 1787, she gave birth to a girl. Mary named her Charlotte. In February 1788, she married William Bryant. William was a fisherman and oversaw fishing boats in the new colony. However, he was found to be selling some of what he caught privately. He was removed from his position and given 100 lashes as punishment, but he stayed as a fisherman on the boats. In May 1790, William and Mary had a son named Emmanuel. In February 1791, William, Mary, their 2 children, and 7 other convicts escaped from Port Jackson. Under the cover of darkness, with hardly any moonlight and no other ships in the harbour, the group slipped out of Port Jackson. They took the governor's clipper, a small boat, with just enough food and other supplies. Over the next 69 days, they travelled north along the Australian coast, across the Great Barrier Reef and the Arafu Sea. On the 5th of June 1791, they arrived in Kapang in West Timor and pretended to be shipwreck survivors. The journey was over 5,000 kilometres and everyone in the group survived. However, the truth soon came out after William supposedly bragged about their amazing escape. The group was jailed and later sent to Batavia, Jakarta, Indonesia. Emmanuel became sick and died on the 1st of December 1791. 3 weeks later, William died. Mary and Charlotte were transported back to London. Charlotte died on the voyage on 5th of May 1792. Mary arrived back in London on the 7th of June, where a well-known lawyer took up her case. On the 2nd of May 1793, Mary was officially pardoned. Pardoned means that she was excused or released 6 weeks after her original 7-year sentence had expired, and she moved back to Cornwall. Records do not show what happened to her after this, but she was last heard of in November 1794. Mary Bryant was the only female convict to successfully escape from Australia.